Maybe you have seen a lot of videos on YouTube that say to lose weight without exercising or dieting, or lose 20 kilos in 1 week and similar videos. But this is not possible, or if possible, it will cause irreparable damage to your body. Maybe for many, hard exercise or a hard diet is an obstacle to losing weight. But I lost 21 kilos in just 2 months without heavy exercise or eating less. In this video, I will show you the method I used and got the best result. Let me first give a brief explanation of the reason for my weight loss. I weighed 103 kilos and had a stomach infection. So I decided to lose weight, and then I searched a lot to find an easy way. At first, I eliminated any fat and sugar from my diet. No oil, no fatty meat, no sweets, no sugar, no chocolate, and no fast food. But I use a small amount of natural olive oil and salmon to prepare the essential body fats. I had 1 protein serving every day, which I ate lean chicken or salmon. I also used fruits for my body's necessary sugar and ate an apple and a banana every day. Of course, adding avocado, carrot, and other vegetables is very useful, but I could not eat raw vegetables because of my stomach infection, and I used only cooked spinach. I eliminated all drinks and drank only water and a glass of ginger tea with honey a day. Of course, coffee and tea are also very effective for losing weight. But again, I couldn't drink coffee and tea because of my stomach infection. Tip: if you don't have a hot temper like me, you can also add cinnamon to your ginger tea, which is very effective. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. The next trick was to make meals smaller and more frequent. I used to eat 7 times a day, but in small amounts and at a specific times. In addition, I used to walk for half an hour a day and did not do any other kind of exercise. Of course, if you exercise along with your diet, you will definitely get better results. But I was a bit lazy like many others. With this method, I lost 21 kilos in 2 months and reached 82 kilos without any pressure on my body to eat less and exercise hard and not eat the substances that the body needs. So I suggest you start this diet right now. If you have any questions or comments, I will be happy if you leave me a comment.